Hey guys, it's me Risa. How you doing? I hope you're doing great. Today I'm excited because I'm going to teach you how to make a gluten-free, delicious, healthy, guilt-free strawberry banana pancake. How does that sound? Super easy, quick, delicious, and versatile. So let's get started. Okay, so I have my big pan, and you can use whatever skillet you have, and I'm using just my small cookie cutter to measure out my pancakes. So I've just taken one large egg and just going to whisk that up, and I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of egg whites, and we're just going to mix that up. I'm taking a 1/4 cup of some almond milk, and we're gonna just whisk that up, of course. And this is versatile. So I have some strawberry syrup, sugar-free, that I get, the Da Vinci, and I'm just gonna put in about a teaspoon or so to get that nice red coloring. And if you don't have it, you can use just some vanilla, but you know what? I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla too, just about a 1/2 teaspoon or so. So again, it's versatile. I'm going to add about a 1/2 teaspoon of some cinnamon or so. Again, if you like cinnamon, you can add more. And now I'm going to add my banana, get it out, a 1/3 cup, and I'm just going to mash that a little bit more to blend it. I should tell you that I sprayed the pan with some butter spray. You can use whatever all-purpose spray that you have, and cooking spray, of course, and put it on a medium to high temperature because you want it to cook well. Now, for the gluten-free part, I am adding, actually, I'm going to, add my 1/2 cup of oats that I just put in my Cuisinart, and just blend that up, and almost about a 3/4 cup of some nice chopped strawberries, and just add that in for my nice batter. All right, that looks really good. And I know it's going to be super delicious. And then I usually just take my 1/4 cupper to measure the pancake out. Just make sure I just get everything from the bottom. And then I'm going to put it in my pan. And I'm just going to let it cook. I'm going to turn that up. And then you can just keep making several. But I like it to just get hard first. I'm just going to see. No, that's actually okay. It might spread a little bit, but that's all right. And let it just cook on one side, and I'll just do another one here. So these are going to be super delicious and nutritious. For those of you on WW, you're just going to be counting for the purple and the blue. You're just going to be counting the oatmeal. If you're on green, you're going to be counting the egg, which will be another 2 smart points. So it's about 6 smart points total for the green program, and 4 smart points totally for the purple and blue program. All right, for the whole recipe. So I just like it to just form. I'll put some more in, and depending on how big or how small you like your pancakes, just turn that down a little bit. And you don't want to flip it over until it's cooked on one side, okay? And you can start seeing that it's going to form well on one side, all right? So, but don't touch it or it's just going to break apart. Now, the other thing that I have over here is the Lily's white chocolate chips, and they come in milk chocolate, semi-sweet, and I've just put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and then another 30 seconds, and you can drizzle some of that on top. I also really love whipped cream. I buy the sugar-free. At Sobeys, you can get whatever brand. You don't have to use the same brand as me, my friends. And then some Cool Whip, which I love, the ultralight Cool Whip. It doesn't melt as fast, and then you can add some extra strawberries on top. So this is cooking nicely. And I'm just going to see how this one is. Yep, it looks good. Oop, it's falling apart a little bit. I guess it wasn't ready to flip over yet. Let's see this one. So you have to be patient and take your time to let them really cook well. Sometimes it's better if you start in the middle of your pan. And if you want to use regular flour, you can do that. You can use self-rising flour. You can use almond flour, coconut flour. It's versatile, but if you're doing gluten-free, obviously you're not going to use regular flour. Hello. This one came out really nice in a nice circle, which is what I love. And they'll be ready very soon. Let's see, we can turn this one over, and we flipped it over. There we go. And then you're just going to cook that on the other side. Let's see how this one is. It's not easy doing this with one hand, my friends. You don't want to break it. But you can use whatever fruit you want to, but I just love strawberries. Strawberries and bananas just go so well together, don't they? Nope. This one's easier to flip over. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. So I'm going to repeat this with the rest of my batter here, and you should get, hi, me again. So you should get about 6 delicious pancakes, and it's a nice high protein, low fat, guilt-free, and delicious breakfast, brunch, lunch option, okay? So I hope you love this recipe. Let me know. If you change it up, let me know. Comment, like, subscribe, share my channel with everybody. Bye for now.